Hello techies, welcome back to Dubai Tech Hub. I am thrilled to welcome you on my another video today. In this video, we will be making initial setup and review of the DUhome 5G wireless device. I sincerely appreciate your support on my previous unboxing video of this device. If you haven't watched it yet, I recommend checking it out after watching this video. I'll mention that video link on my first comment. I am releasing videos in Tamil, English and Hindi languages, so feel free to watch the videos on your preferred language. In this video, I'll guide you on where and how to purchase this device at the best discounted price. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. Let's get into the video now. First of all, we will remove the nano-sized SIM from the SIM card provided. Here we have a SIM card tray on the bottom of the device. So we have to properly insert the SIM card into the device to make it work properly. Now connect the power adapter to the device power port. Now connect the power adapter to the power socket and turn on the switch. Once you turned on the power, all the three lights will be glown on so that you can make sure that the device is working properly. Then the 4G and 5G indicator will goes off and the status light will continue to glow on white, and then it turns into red and wait for the 4G or 5G signal to receive. So once you receive the 4G signal, the 4G indicator will go white, and once you receive the 5G signal, then the 5G indicator will go white. I am using this device in Dubai Jumeirah village circle. In my area, I am getting only 4G signal all the times and 5G availability occasionally. If you are looking to purchase this device, consider buying it from the DU official website or DU mobile application. You will only need your Emirates ID for documentation. You can choose either AED 199 or AED 299 plans when placing your order. Remember to check the specific benefits and offers before finalizing your purchase. Ordering online offers a 20% discount compared to buying through agents. Once you successfully placed your order, you will get your delivery in 2 days. So all the information which I have shared in this video was based on my personal purchasing experience. If you want to know more about the product and details, you can contact DU customer care before purchasing your device. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section. I'll be sure to respond. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share the video to provide your support, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tech updates. Until then, this is Sheikh signing off. See you in the next video. Bye techies.